5 Surveys app. So here it is. You can go to website 5surveys.com. They have an app, but it's not available in every country. Also website only available in a few countries like US. So sign up for free. Then you just take surveys and earn points. Once you sign up, you can access a diverse range of surveys, share your thoughts and insights on various topics and products, redeem your rewards. 5 completed surveys mean $5 on your balance. Redeem accumulated money for cash, gift cards, or exciting prizes. I don't know if this app is completely legit, and you really withdraw something. But then here you have sign up. You can just go and try to sign up and create an account. I'm using a website, so let's see. Oopsie. So, all right. I'm just showing you in real time how this. So it seems it's quite buggy, but yeah, here it is. Now you just got in the app, and here it is. So then you can see here, and then yeah, you can complete 5 surveys and get $5. So that's just what it is. And then also you have the app here. So then you can just go and log in the app. So there is like a separate app, and that's just what it is. So then you can claim a reward.